back to Moonstone Crafts and welcome to another post review. And it's a day, it's the Sunday of the Christmas weekend. I guess it's not really the Christmas day anymore, but it was yesterday and the day before when it was actually Christmas Day. So here we have it, my Christmas painting for this year. I bought this one from Fancels, just a small partial crystal rhinestone kit with and special shaped diamonds, I guess, as well are in there. And it's not really Christmassy. It's not like it's the most Christmas one, but I really want to next winter display it, and maybe even this winter still. So I'm gonna cut it out. I'm not gonna frame it or anything, just cut it out and put it on my wall like that because it's very light. But I actually did this painting on Christmas Day, so the 5th of December, and I completed it on that day as well. And it took me around 3 hours to finish it, so pretty nice, pretty decent I think for this kit. It was very nice. It had 10 colors and I think three of them were different shape, yeah, and then the rest of them were normal shape, or even 2 were different shape, yeah, the blue ones and the pink ones, the pearls, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm just confused myself. It was really nice. I didn't run out of any colors this time or any drills, and it was such a nice project to do on Christmas Day. And some of my favorite crystal rhinestones are in this painting. I will show you them close up. Let me see where they are the best. I think here in these ones. Maybe you can see them in the close-up later on. They are so pretty. I posted a picture of them on my Instagram. But this one is very nice. Just a small project, but it's very nice. I will give you guys a close-up right now. There you go. That's the little close-up. I think you've seen it better now. The color that I meant to say. It's a bit purpley, bit of white, blue in there. It's a bit of an AB, and it's just gorgeous. I never had that color before. Speaking of colors, there we go. The drills. This side is not important. That's another painting that you're gonna see next week in the post review. But these ones are the colors. We're actually in this painting. I'm gonna do it this way. There you go. This is all the leftovers. I had a lot. You can't even see this one. Maybe I should get this one out. There we go. It's a white AB that you get in many of these kits. I have to turn it around because otherwise I can't show you. There's the white pearls. This was actually the trash, I think, yeah, that I got out during the kit. But plenty left with this one. it was, yeah, that was definitely the truth. Let me see if I can see how much trash there's in here. Here are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in here, and some of them will be misplaced in the color they were in. And some might be actual trash. But I will go through the drills, of course, to get any other trash out of there. But that's it. That's gonna be this painting. It's gonna be a shorter post review, of course, because it's just a small kit. But it's perfect for the winter and definitely perfect for Christmas. And that was all I wanted to do this Christmas, because I have enough other whips and I don't want to start a new one. And with the job I have now, it's not possible to really focus on a Christmas one that's bigger than this. So this was just the perfect solution for me this year. And I did enjoy it. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Please let me know in the comments what you did for Christmas, which is diamond painter related, of course. So did you do a big one, small one? Did you do the advent calendar? I know event was going on with that. So a lot of nice posts. Or did you just do nothing? You could do that as well. Or did you do like me, just a small one around Christmas? Let me know. And then I'm gonna go right now. So thank you. See you next time. Bye.